Welcome to my Linux desktop. Today I'm going to be downloading and installing the latest beta test version of Linux Air Combat from the 4th of October 2023. To commence this, I'm going to go to DuckDuckGo and search for Linux Air Combat. Usually the first link that pops up will be here on sourceforge.net, which I use for most of my work in publishing Linux Air Combat. So I'm going to just click on that first link and we get lots of information about the flight simulator. But for right now we're just going to go to the download area in Files. That allows us to choose our download platform, and Linux Air Combat is available in for a lot of different platforms and a lot of different versions. Today I'm going to drill into this and go into the beta test area where the newest stuff is at. These other areas are production areas and maybe better for most people, but for today's purposes we're going to get the latest, greatest stuff from beta test. So clicking on beta test versions. And the easiest way to do this is to download the beta test AppImage right here. So we're going to be installing Linux Air Combat version 9.48 for x86 architecture, the beta test version in AppImage. AppImages are nice because you don't have to compile them. If you don't know about AppImages, I suggest you study them up, do an internet search for AppImages, and you'll find out how useful they are. But I'm just going to download this with a left click, whereupon I get this little timer that says, wait a minute, we're going to start our download, and it'll give me the opportunity to download this small AppImage. It's only 53 megabytes, so we're going to click Save File. And looking over here on my progress bar, we'll see it'll download pretty quickly. Being only 53.9 megabytes in size, this is one of the smallest graphically intense games you'll ever see in an AppImage format. It's that small because the terrains are algorithmically generated, and they're not big artistic creations. They're generated with mathematical formulas, and so it's a lot easier, a lot smaller than downloading real-world images or painted diagrams or artistic creations that have a lot of specific detail in them. The details are actually coming from mathematical patterns. They're complex and rich-looking. I think the trains actually look pretty good, but they're small. It's just not that big. So 17 seconds left. When that comes down, it'll be in my downloads folder, so I'm going to open up a file browser and just watch that downloads folder area. If I go into downloads here, let's see, sorting by name, downloads. Oh, there it is. Looks like we got it. So now that I've downloaded that AppImage, I can close off my browser, and that's how you get the latest version. Now we'll continue this with some more videos in this series. This is the first of the videos in the series.